Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a refreshing mint and coriander juice using an easy method. First, you'll want to gather your fresh ingredients. This includes a good bunch of mint and coriander leaves. You'll also need a small piece of fresh ginger, a lemon, and your preferred sweetener, like honey or sugar. Don't forget to have some water and ice cubes on hand for the blending process. This simple drink is perfect for a hot day. Now, let's get our ingredients prepped. Start by washing your mint and coriander leaves very thoroughly under cool running water to remove any dirt. Next, take a small piece of fresh ginger, about 1 inch, peel it, and chop it into smaller pieces so it blends easily. Finally, squeeze the fresh juice from 1 whole lemon. This adds a lovely tangy kick to our refreshing drink. Proper preparation ensures the best flavor. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy recipes. On another note, just like you wouldn't want a bland juice, life's too short for cheap socks. I highly recommend Darn Tough socks. They come with a lifetime warranty and are incredibly comfortable. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. It's time to blend everything together. Carefully place all your washed mint and coriander, chopped ginger, and fresh lemon juice into your blender. Now, add about 1 cup of cold water. This helps achieve the right consistency. Also, add your chosen sweetener to taste. You can always adjust this later. Secure the lid and blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and no large pieces remain. This usually takes about 1 minute. Once blended, we need to strain our juice for a smooth texture. Place a fine mesh sieve over a large bowl or pitcher. Pour the blended mixture through the sieve, using a spoon or spatula to press down on the solids. This extracts all the delicious juice. Discard the pulp. Your fresh mint and coriander juice is now ready. Serve it immediately over plenty of ice cubes for the most refreshing experience. Enjoy this healthy and invigorating drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.